Almond Orange Torte. This recipe is from the Anti-Inflammatory Family Cookbook, the kid-friendly, pediatrician-approved way to transform your family's health. For this recipe, you will need oranges, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, natural cane sugar, eggs, baking powder, almond meal, hazelnut meal, and dark chocolate chips. Salt and vanilla extract are optional. The first step is to prepare the oranges. In a medium saucepan, combine the oranges, cinnamon stick, and bay leaves. Add enough water to just cover. The oranges will float, so they won't actually be covered. Bring to a boil and then reduce the heat and simmer for 45 minutes or until the oranges can be easily pierced with the tip of a knife. Drain the oranges, discard the cinnamon stick and the bay leaves, and then cut the oranges into quarters and let them cool. If there are seeds in your oranges, once they're cool enough to touch, be sure to remove the seeds. Next, place the entire orange, skin and all, in a food processor and puree to create a uniform but fairly thick orange puree. And then add the sugar, the eggs, baking powder, almond meal, hazelnut meal, and if using, a pinch of salt and a little bit of vanilla extract. Stir everything together. You can do this with a rubber spatula like I'm using, or if you want to use an electric mixer, that would work too, but it's not necessary. And then fold in the chocolate chips. Transfer the batter to 2 8-inch round cake pans, or you could use one 9x13 rectangular pan that you have greased and floured. I lined mine with parchment paper. Spread the batter using your spatula so that it's even, because it will not spread out as it bakes. And then bake the cakes at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Let them cool on a wire rack for at least 30 minutes before serving. If you want, you can serve this cake directly out of the pan that you cook it in, or for a slightly prettier presentation, invert the cakes onto a serving platter and then flip them over before slicing and serving. You can serve them as is, or if you want just a little bit sweeter of a cake, because this cake is not very sweet at all, give them a nice dusting of confectioner sugar. And if I'm being completely honest, I don't know any children who would like this, but I think adults, if they know what to expect, will like it quite a bit. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.